Hello and welcome to my newest vlog here on Moonbia Studio. Today we're gonna unpack new products. Like the first package came an hour ago. There's also a second big order that's coming in like 2 days. And for anyone that is wondering why I'm always gonna get new products, it is actually because until now I have never used the money from my business for private reasons, because I'm still at the start of my business. So I just take all the revenue that I get from my small business and put it into new products or new equipment. I want to see what works and what not and what are cool products. Yeah, that's the reason why I'm always experimenting with new stuff. But I'm always gonna get low quantity of new products because I just want to test out if they even get bought or not. You don't want to sit on a lot of product that don't sell. So in conclusion, I've got these tote bags and I really like this design. And then I've got all of these sticker books. So this and this and this are all restocks, and this is a new design. Also this one, but this design was actually made for these leather notebooks. I just made them also into sticker books. Like on the one side I wanted to do this Japanese temple with the sun, and on the back side I wanted to do the moon. This is how it looks from the side. And yeah, I tried to make the design like connected, but I needed to do this more centered. It didn't came out like I wanted it to be. Oh, and here are a handful of pins. I've actually asked my friend if this would bother him that the design is not centered, and he told me no. But I don't know if I can still put it into price that I wanted to. I still gotta think about it. But actually it feels quite nice. So maybe I do this band like in white. Maybe that will look more beautiful. Let me open this. It's with dotted pages. I've got 5 orders to pack today. Yes, I know it's not a lot, but as I said, I'm still at the start of my business, so my business is 6 months old, and I think that's still great because I still have some days where I get 0 orders, so 5 is great. Let us start with packing the orders now. So the next time when you see me, it will probably be when I get the next package. Okay, so actually the second package arrived, as you can see here, but I forgot to film it. I just show you what I got. Here I got like 2 sticky note designs. I think they came out great. This has a frogs design. And this is a brown one, capybara and oranges. And the minimum order quantity is 50 pieces for these sticky notes. Then I got some keychains. So I wanted to try out those stars holographic, but I don't know if I'm a fan of these. Also, I ordered them too small. So that was not the size I intended to buy. I wanted to get 2.5 inches, but they are only 2 inches. Or like I wanted to get in 6.5 centimeters, but they are only 5 centimeters. I got a restock of this one because it sold out. My banana cat keychain. This one also sold out. It's my duck with a knife. And my third restock is this holographic soda can keychain. So the rest are all new keychains, but they are designs that I already have for stickers or other products. Also, if you're wondering why they're all laid out on the floor, I just needed to organize them first. This is a keychain I really like. Came out great. It's the design I did for my tote bag, if you can remember. I wanted to try out something new, so I got this keychain where 3 acrylic charms are connected, but it's a little bit too long, I think. I think I should have got them in a smaller size. Here are 2 Tamagotchi keychains with a holographic finish. These also have holographic finishes. These are from my Magical Girl sticker set. They're really pretty. Frog design and one capybara in a tea design. Here's a cute teddy bear and also my funny capybara. He looks so serious. And last but not least, here's my buff duck. These were all my new keychain designs. As you can see, I always got like 3 pieces or so from a design because these are the minimum order quantities, and then I just try out if the designs are even get bought or not.